All right, so we generated 72 sales opportunities for our client Haley Ale in just 6 weeks by using cold email. And this video is a testimonial on what she has to say about working with us. So I have the full case study in the video description, but let's get to the testimonial.
Working with Beanstalk Consulting has been really great. Definitely has surpassed my expectation. I was hesitant in moving forward when we first started, as I didn't know how well we'd be able to collaborate together, as I'm just a small business. But their experience with prospecting and using artificial intelligence technologies that I just don't have the knowledge and experience to use, they've really helped me with my cold emailing process, and that's been super helpful. They've been really great to work with, very responsive, easy to communicate with via Slack and email, and they have been open to my feedback about how to target more qualified leads for my business. But every week I have people responding, reaching out, and interested in what I've been sending out through the email. So definitely recommend working with Beanstalk. They've been really, really awesome.